Welcome back to Best Futuristic Gadgets. Dead zones, throttled hotel Wi-Fi, coffee shop connections you wouldn't trust with a text message, airplane mode, literally, when you need to be anything but. Your work doesn't stop because the Wi-Fi is unreliable. Your connection should be able to keep up. 5 portable 5G speed Wi-Fi hotspots that bring fast, secure, personal internet wherever you go. No dead zones, no shared networks, no compromises on the speed your devices actually need. Number 1. When your work depends on your connection needs to be the best available. The NETGEAR Nighthawk M7 Pro is exactly that. This is NETGEAR's flagship 5G mobile hotspot, a device built to deliver the maximum throughput that 5G networks are capable of providing, with the reliability and feature set that professional users require from a connection they're depending on, rather than simply using. The M7 Pro's multi-band 5G capability connects to both sub-6 GHz and millimeter wave 5G networks, meaning it delivers the broad coverage of sub-6 where millimeter wave infrastructure doesn't exist, and the extraordinary gigabit plus speeds of millimeter wave where it does. The device finds the fastest available signal and uses it. Simultaneous connections for up to 32 devices, enough for a team working from the same location, a household travel setup, or a professional environment where multiple devices need reliable access simultaneously. The 2.4-inch touchscreen manages network settings, data usage, connected device management, and security controls directly on the device without requiring a phone or laptop to configure it. Battery life built for full working days. Guest network isolation for when you want to extend access without sharing your primary network credentials. If your work depends on your connection, the NETGEAR M7 Pro is the connection your work deserves. Number 2. International travel used to mean one of two things: expensive roaming charges or hunting for local SIM cards in every country you land in. The GlocalMe Numen Air made both options unnecessary. This is a global 5G Wi-Fi hotspot with built-in cloud SIM technology, no physical SIM required, no local SIM hunting, no roaming bills that arrive after you've forgotten how many data-heavy video calls you made from abroad. The GlocalMe Numen Air connects to local networks in over 140 countries automatically, negotiating the best available rate through GlocalMe's global data infrastructure. 5G where 5G exists, 4G LTE where it doesn't. The device switches automatically, always connecting to the fastest available network in your current location without requiring you to manage the transition. The security layer is enterprise-grade. VPN built-in, encrypted transmission, and a private network that protects your devices from the threats that public Wi-Fi exposes you to every time you use it. Compact enough for a jacket pocket. Battery built for transit-length journeys without a charge anxiety moment. International connectivity used to be complicated and expensive. The GlocalMe Numen Air made it simple and affordable everywhere. Number 3. Every portable hotspot looks the same: a small rectangle, a screen on one side, invisible in any bag. The Huawei Mobile Wi-Fi X looks like nothing else in the category and performs to match. The X-shaped design isn't aesthetic novelty. The extended form factor houses 4 antenna arrays in the 4 arms of the X, providing 360 degrees signal coverage and multi-directional 5G reception that conventional rectangular devices with internal antennas can't match. The design solves an engineering problem and does it in a way that happens to look extraordinary. 5G connectivity with Huawei's carrier-grade network processing delivers speeds and stability that reflect decades of telecom infrastructure engineering applied to a pocket device. Multi-band support covers the full range of 5G spectrum, from sub-6 GHz wide-area coverage to high-band performance in dense urban environments. The companion app manages everything: connected devices, data usage monitoring, network preferences, and guest access, with the clean interface Huawei's mobile software is known for. Battery capacity extended for the form factor. The larger chassis houses a larger cell, providing all-day operation without the anxiety of a device running out mid-presentation. Portable hotspots used to be invisible. The Huawei Mobile Wi-Fi X is the one that people notice and then ask about. Number 4. The word Pro gets used casually. The Inseego MiFi PRO M4 earned it. This is a 5G mobile router built to professional specifications, the kind of device that IT departments deploy for field teams, remote offices, and critical operations where connection reliability isn't a preference, it's a requirement. The M4's 5G modem delivers carrier aggregation performance that combines multiple spectrum bands simultaneously, not just connecting to 5G, but maximizing throughput from the available 5G signal in a way that consumer devices don't prioritize. Advanced QoS, quality of service, management prioritizes traffic from specific devices and applications, ensuring that your video call gets priority over a background file sync when bandwidth is contested between connected devices. Security features match the professional positioning: enterprise-grade encryption, VPN pass-through, and network isolation that meets the requirements of sensitive business environments. Up to 32 simultaneous device connections, a 5040 mAh battery for sustained operation, and NETGEAR's established management interface that gives you control over every connected device on your personal network. Professional operations require professional connectivity. The M4 is what professional connectivity looks like in a pocket. Number 5. NETGEAR's Nighthawk line sets the standard for mobile hotspot performance. The M6 Pro sets the standard for what the M7 Pro made people expect it to. This is the 5G mobile hotspot that established what flagship portable connectivity looks like, and in 2026, it remains one of the strongest performers in the category for users who need serious speed without the M7 Pro's price premium. Wi-Fi 6E support means the M6 Pro broadcasts its own network on the 6 GHz band, less congested, faster throughput to connected devices, and dramatically better performance in environments where Wi-Fi spectrum is crowded with competing networks. 5G sub-6 GHz connectivity delivers the coverage and real-world speeds that make it genuinely useful across the locations where people actually need a hotspot, not just in wave corridors, but everywhere a 5G signal reaches. Up to 32 simultaneous device connections, a 5040 mAh battery for sustained operation, and NETGEAR's established management interface that gives you control over every connected device on your personal network. The M7 Pro is the flagship. The M6 Pro is the one that delivers most of that performance and fits more budgets doing it. Thanks for watching Best Futuristic Gadgets. Subscribe and stay upgraded.